how to monetize a Facebook page 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to monetize a Facebook page 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you just need to head over to your Facebook. So for example, this is that page that you want to monetize. So in here, as you can see, there's still no additional tools that you can do in order to monetize or earn on your Facebook. But if you want to monetize your Facebook page, what you need to do is to just head over to any browser that you have. So this works on both Android, iOS, and also on the computer. So from in there, just head over to your browser and head over to this page, which is www.facebook.com/creatorsstudio. So just head over to that link right there, and then it will proceed to the actual page of the Creator Studio, which has been moved to the Meta business page. So as you can see, this page right there, this is that page that we have seen earlier. So if you want to actually monetize your Facebook page, you can see some buttons right here. So in here you can see some notifications and also your planner right here and your content, and you can also see a lot of things in here that you can do. So in here, here's your planner. So if you click on this right here, so let's try to click on insights, and when you click on insights, you will see here all of the things that you have in your insights into. As you can see, approximate earnings is only $0. So if you want to monetize your account, you just need to click on this actual logo right here that has a dollar sign. This is the monetize button. So click on that and you will proceed to this page right here. So as you can see, this monetization, and as you can see, I have no monetization violations. So from in there, you can see view page eligibility, and then this will open this window. So you have some criteria in here that you need to meet in order to monetize your Facebook page. So in here you need to have in-stream ads for on demand, so you need to have ads. Then you can also need to have subscriptions, and also you need to receive stars to earn money, and also in-stream ads for life. So you need to meet all of those criteria in order to be eligible for all of these things right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to monetize a Facebook page. If you have questions and comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.